everybody, my name's Akki and welcome to Akki Dreams. Today we'll be making St. Patrick's Day crafts. First up is a potato puppet. Potato puppet, potato puppet, potato puppet! Yay! We need white, brown, black, and green construction paper, string or yarn, hole puncher, glue stick, black and red Sharpie or marker, scissors, pencil, and eraser. First, take a brown sheet, fold it in half, draw a potato shape, and then cut it out. Make sure that your hand fits, so trace your hand. Okay? We will get these two pieces. Now we have to punch holes in them. We have to punch holes around it. Punch holes that are 2 centimeters apart, just like this. We have to make like loops for the vines using string. Double knot the 2 ends and cut off the extra, or you can glue it to the back. First, take white paper, fold it in half, and then make 2 egg shapes. For the pupil, we need 2 circles from black paper, and for the nose, we need 1 circle, also from black paper. Now we're gonna glue the pupils to the eyes. Now we'll be adding some shimmer to the eyes and the nose. We'll glue everything to the potato. It's time to make the mouth. We'll be making shamrocks. For that we need green paper. First you have to fold the paper in half. Then you can draw the shamrock. Outline and stick the shamrocks onto the potato. Our potato puppet is done. See? You can make a shape like this as well. Bye-bye.